Hello everyone. Today I came up with the open source repository which was made by me for RAG like framework, where the user or you can upload any of the documents what you have, and you can ask questions based on it. You can feel like this is a simple RAG which everyone can make within some hours. But what I thought was why we need to build. For each and every document why we need to build separate applications for the RAG. So I plan to make it as a single one. Let's go through the demo. uh, where initially there is a chat mode and a database mode. Where the database mode, you should need to enter the collection's name, and once the collection name is entered, then we can just upload the PDF documents what we have. Uh, Once after uploading the documents, the collection will be getting created and it will be saved in as a database file. So end of the day, you can upload more than one documents to a single collection also, which will extract the text from the PDF, understand the PDF, and make it as push the data into vector databases, and that will be stored in as a separate collection. Like that, we can make a number of collections also. Once that is ready, right, we just move to a chat mode. Then in chat mode, we can see choose the DB. In DB, there are already many collections which you have already stored in that. Else, the new collections, however you add, it will just getting added in the choose DB option. And you also have an option to choose the model. Uh, what model you want to chat with. At the end of the day, it uses Volama as a backend as of now. Now I am using Volama 3.1, and this is in the chat mode. Once this GB is chosen, whatever question you are asking, that will be directed to this DB, and the information from that DB will be extracted to you. I'm just asking, I have just uploaded a research paper, and it is saying like I am asking a question, what is the controllable text generation? So if I just click get answer, right, it will give me the answer from the collection. I mean collection or the DB. Our paper is research paper DB. Other than that, uh, once the response we get from the LLM, and also we can see the citations like thing where from where the text is generated, what all chunks are passed to this LLM. Everything we can able to see in this. So what I thought is for each and every PDF, making a RAG application, converting that in, extracting the text, converting into vectors and storing it in the vector database, and build using the LLM to do this. Why can't we build a small application kind of thing, which is and I also the code is open source now. It is a very simple code. Now it is getting matured one by one, day by day. I have just done this as a first release also. So from this, we can all come together and update this as an application or something like that, so that people can easily just upload their documents, what all they have, and they can just start chatting with it. So this is what I thought, and we can also extract the. Currently, I'm using ChromaDB as a vector database. We can also get the collections. It will be stored in a local file system, everything. Um, why can't we make this as a production ready or full usable? If we build a rack system within a day also, that will not be that much more effective. It may not handle the edge cases. Basically, intent classifier will not be applied over there. Here I have implemented a very basic intent classifier. If we are asking hi, hello, then it will not reach the vector database and get the answer. It will directly go through the LLMs and get the response. So we can all come together and improve this. And let's see how this is going. Uh, Please share your thoughts on the comments, and I will share the link of this repository in the description below also. Uh, Please check, and if you have any issues also, please open a discussion or a issue, make a pull request. That's it. Thank you. Thank you so much.